Good evening students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the third session of your substitution chapter. We will solve today the last exercise, that is exercise 20C, and this is going to be your last session of this chapter because this is the last exercise that is remaining. So without wasting any time, let's solve the worksheet. So first question number 1. So question number 1, total 4 questions. I have chosen 4 questions. All are fill in the blanks type, and question number 2, that was also fill in the blanks. So the first question given as 2a plus b minus c equals to 2a plus, and there is a bracket and there is a blank. So we will put digit or alphabet in this blank space. So look, this is 2a plus b minus c. So just compare this portion with this portion. That means this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So compare both the two sides, left hand side and right hand side. So there is 2a and here is also 2a. So b minus c, here b minus c, b minus c is the term. So here that term is missing. Clear? So we will put b minus c here because this term is missing. That's why b minus c. Now check. So 2a plus b minus c, 2a plus bracket b minus c. So when you open this bracket, this plus and minus will get minus. That means it will be 2a plus b plus and minus gets minus. So 2a plus b minus c, which is equal to the left hand side. That is, it will be b minus c within this bracket portion. So first question solved. Next, so first question is an easy one. Next, 3x minus z plus y. So here see, here 3x is present, here also 3x. So compare first the two sides. Here is 3x and here is also 3x. Now here is minus, here is also minus. So that is all correct. Now here is z plus y. So this term is missing. But see, here bracket is given. So if you put z plus y here, now check. So when you open this bracket, it will be 3x minus z, minus and plus gets minus. So it will be 3x minus z minus y. But here it is 3x minus z plus y. That means both of this side is not similar. That means you cannot put here z plus y. Instead of z plus y, we will put here z minus y. Because if you put z minus y, only then when you open this bracket, it will get 3x minus z, minus and minus gets plus. So z plus y. That means 3x minus z plus y. See, this is 3x minus z plus y. Then both is similar, both side is similar. Therefore, it will be z minus y. That is the correct answer. That means whenever there is a minus sign, just change the sign, because here the sign is z plus y. Here the sign is z plus y and here the sign is minus. So whenever there is a minus sign and then the bracket is given, whenever you want to put some terms inside the bracket and the previous sign is minus, just reverse the sign. That means here z plus y, you will put z minus y. The sign of plus is the reverse. The sign of plus will get reversed. That means it will be z minus y, not z plus y. Because if it would have been z plus y, you will open the bracket and you will get 3x minus z minus y, which is incorrect. That means it will be z minus y, not plus y. Clear? Next, question number 4. Question number 4 is a plus b minus c plus d. So here it is a plus. That means these 3 terms are missing here, and we will put these 3 terms in this bracket and then we will check whether the two sides are matching or not. So it is plus. Now b minus c plus d. So you will put b minus c plus d here as it is, because there is a plus sign. Whenever there is a plus sign, no need to change the sign. That is, whenever there is a plus sign, we will not reverse. We will reverse only when the sign is minus. Otherwise, we will not reverse. Clear? Now check. If you open this bracket, so a plus b plus and minus gets minus, c plus and plus gets plus d. So a plus b, see here a plus b minus c plus d. Here see minus c plus d. So both sides are matched. That means this is the correct. B plus c minus d is the correct. Now next question number 7. See 3m minus 2n plus 6. Here 6 is present. So 6, that means this term is given. That means this term is missing here. 3m minus 2n is missing. Clear? Now see, here is a minus sign. That means the sign will get automatically reversed. Now see, here 2n is minus. Therefore, in this case 2n will be plus. Here 3m is plus. Here 3m will be minus. Just do this. because we will reverse the sign, because the sign is minus. Whenever there is a minus sign, thus all this sign will get reverse when you put this in a bracket. But when there is a plus sign, no reverse sign is possible. Clear? Reverse sign only you will put reverse, or you will do reverse only when the sign is negative. So in this case, the left side portion is 3m minus 2n plus 6, and the right side portion only 6 is given and the minus sign. Therefore this term is missing, 3m minus 2n term is missing here. So we will put 3m minus 2n, but according to the sign should be matched from both the side. So here that sign of 2n is negative, so here it will be positive, because the sign will get reversed because of this minus sign. So here 2n gets positive. Now here 3m, it is positive by default, here is a plus sign. If there is no sign given, that means we consider the by default it is a plus sign. So 3m is positive, so it will be here negative, so minus 3m. Now check. So open this bracket. So whenever you open this bracket, 6 minus 2n, minus and minus gets plus, so plus 3m. Now check. So 6, here is a 6 present, minus 2n, here is a minus 2n, plus 3m, here is a plus 3m. That means the terms are matched, both sides are matched. Only there is some digits are written one after another, but this 3m minus 2n plus 6 and this is exactly same, just match the sign with the numbers. So 6 plus, here 6 is plus, here is a minus 2n present, here is minus 2n present, here is plus 3m present, here is plus 3m present. That means this is correct. So it will be, answer will be 2n minus 3m. 2n minus 3m will be the correct answer. So whenever there is a minus sign, just reverse the sign, and whenever there is a plus sign, no need to reverse. Next, question number 2. Question number 2, insert the bracket as directed. That means our the term is given and we will put this term into this bracket. So see, here is also minus, already minus sign is given here. Already a minus sign is given here. That means we will just reverse the sign. So sign of x is plus here. Sign of x is plus here. That means here the sign of x will be minus. And here the sign of 2y is minus. That means here the sign of 2y will be plus. So that is your answer, 2y minus x. Now check. So whenever you open this bracket, there is a minus 2y and minus minus will get plus, to minus 2y plus x. If you write this, it will be x minus 2y. So see, it is x minus 2y. That means both the side matched. So it will be, correct answer will be 2y minus x. So whenever there is a minus sign, the sign will be automatically reversed. Next, question number 4. Question number 4 is a minus 3b plus 5c. So only a is given and there is a minus sign. See, there is a minus sign. So the remaining portion is minus 3b plus 5c. That will be put in this bracket, but with correct sign. So sign of 3b is minus, so here it will be plus. Sign of 5c is plus, so here will be, it is minus. Now check. A minus 3b, minus and minus gets plus, so a minus 3b plus 5c, here it is a minus 3 plus 5c. That means both the sign, both the side matched. It is a correct. This is correct, so answer will be 3b minus 5c. Next, x square minus y square plus z square. So here x square is given and there is a minus sign. So remaining portion is minus y square plus z square. As there is a minus sign, so all this sign will get reversed. So minus y square, here it will be plus y square. It is plus z square, here it will be minus z square. Sign will get reversed because of this minus sign. Now check. So x square minus, when you open this bracket, minus y square, minus and minus gets plus. So x square minus y square plus z square, it is x square minus y square plus z square. So answer will be y square minus z square. Next, ab plus 2bc minus 3ac. So here 2bc is present, that means this term is given. This term is given and also there is a minus sign. So remaining will be ab minus 3c and the sign will get automatically reversed. So ab here is plus, that means here it will be minus ab, and here 3ac is minus, so here it will be 3ac plus, 3ac will be plus. So sign will get reversed because of this minus sign. Now check. So 2bc minus, when you open this bracket, 2bc minus 3ac, minus and minus gets plus. So 2bc minus 3ac plus ab. So 2bc is positive. See, 2bc here is also positive. Minus 3ac, here is minus 3ac. Plus ab, here is plus ab. That means both the side are matched. So correct answer will be 3ac minus ab. That is the correct answer. Clear? So this exercise is a small exercise, a little bit. So this session is complete. The main problem here, the main concept is that whenever there is a minus sign, you will put in bracket the reverse of that. That means the sign will get automatically reversed when there is a minus sign. And when there is a plus sign, no need to change your sign. Just put the term as it is. That is the main concept we have. Clear? So that's it. This session is over, and with this your chapter is complete. Thank you.